Hi friends, welcome back to It's a Date episode 2. I am your host Megan, and you may recognize me from my Instagram and YouTube accounts Loving Life as Megan. Over there I love to share all things homemaking, a lot of cleaning and small space organizing ideas, holiday decorating, and DIY room makeovers. In fact, I recently finished up an entire makeover series in this exact kitchen. One of my well-known but not often shared hobbies is creating charcuterie boards. I love to feed my family through charcuterie. I definitely hopped on that trend years ago and we're still going strong. I love to entertain guests, friends, and family with charcuterie boards and find really fun ways to incorporate them into the holiday seasons. So with Easter coming up, I thought that it would be really fun for episode 2 of It's a Date to share with you a Easter breakfast charcuterie board that will both satisfy your children's sweet tooth, make them feel like they're having candy for breakfast, while also satisfying that parental urge to ensure that they have a well-balanced meal and that they don't eat so much candy that their teeth rot out of their face. So for this board, I'm going to be sharing a really quick and easy recipe that I make for my children all of the time. They have it as an afternoon snack. They often ask for me to pack it in their lunch boxes. I include it on every single charcuterie board, and it is a perfect breakfast date option, and then also arrange a really quick and easy but impactful board that will make your kids' Easter morning feel oh so special without allowing them free range of their Easter basket. So before we start assembling the board, I'd love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any future It's a Date episodes. And then we're just gonna jump into it first by sharing all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using to create this Easter breakfast charcuterie board. So I wanted to start out by sharing my absolute favorite quick and easy date recipe with you. I use this all the time as a quick snack for my kids. They love to have it included in their lunch boxes, and I think it's absolutely perfect for this Easter breakfast charcuterie board. But for this recipe, you're just going to need your whole Medjool dates, a breakfast meat of any kind. Today I'm using prosciutto, and a soft cheese. I have brie and goat cheese here because these are my kids' favorite, but you can use any variety that you prefer. So this recipe doesn't get any more simple than this. I've just got a few dates out and I'm going to be cutting these in half. Now, some of them I am going to fill on my own, and others I'm just going to leave in half with everything disassembled on the board because I find that my children love to be involved in preparing their food, and they will eat way more of a variety if I let them prepare it for themselves. So once the dates are cut in half, you're gonna take a slice of your soft cheese. I'm gonna use brie here and goat cheese, but like I said, any variety that you prefer. And I'm just going to fill the half of the date with that cheese. Just spread it on there and let it stay just like that. And then we are going to wrap a half piece of prosciutto around the entire thing. Just like this. It is so simple, and there you have it. This is perfect for snacks, perfect for lunches, perfect for a charcuterie board. My children love this recipe and they request it all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble a couple of these to add to the board, and then we're gonna leave everything else disassembled so that my kids can participate as well. So now that we have all of our ingredients prepped, we're ready to start assembling our board. And if you would like an in-depth tutorial for how to choose the ingredients that should go on your board and how to get them assembled all nice and pretty, definitely check out It's a Date episode 1. I was very detailed and in-depth with my approach to charcuterie boards in that video. I'll try to remember to link it down in the description box in case you haven't seen it already. But for today, I selected this beautiful round serving tray. It is a marble stone finish. It's got little footed legs. It is food safe, but you could use any serving tray that you have, even just a holiday themed plate if you want to. So I've got this round tray here, and we're going to start putting together our breakfast board. So we are going to start with some of these larger ingredients first that will take up more space and be more of a focal point, and then we'll fill in from there. So we've got our little dates, and we've got some mini muffins. And then we're going to add in some of our deconstructed ingredients, some cheese wedges and more prosciutto. And then we will fill in space even further with our fruit options. And then we will border our board with our favorite mini Medjools. And here's a look at that Easter charcuterie board that will make your kids feel like they are having chocolate and Easter candy as their breakfast. So this is how our board turned out, and I think that it looks so beautiful and so yummy. I cannot wait to serve this as Easter breakfast for my kids this year. I hope that it gave you a ton of ideas for how you can dress up the holiday and make it just a little extra special for your family. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see for the next episode of It's a Date. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and YouTube channel, Loving Life is Megan. It's been really fun hanging out with you today. Thanks so much for spending your time here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.